Hi, we're doing a little overview of our Paragon staircase. Our project with them started with a need for something that was gonna be a little bit better than the ladder we had here before. We have a 2-year-old. I just wanted her to be able to have some independence going up and down the stairs. The ladder was pretty ugly. It was made of wood, but it was just really outdated. I wanted Grandma and Grandpa, when they came over, to be able to go up and down them. Our budget was like this big. It was so tiny. So we just needed, and also we have a really small space. Everything you see here, that's the kitchen, the dining room. Here's the living room. We're just in this really tight 1,000 square foot condo, and I needed a safe, budget-friendly, small space solution. And this is what we came up with Paragon. They were awesome. The installation process was great. We did it ourselves. We are pretty well-seasoned DIYers, but I guess in comparison with some projects, this one was, I would say, pretty easy. It was not a big headache or a crazy job at all. Probably the favorite part of our buying process was that we were assigned a rep. He was super helpful. I had his cell phone, I had his email. Anytime I had questions, I could contact him directly and get a good answer and get it quickly. He had me send some photos of the space and the dimensions, the width and the height up to the landing up there, which you can see right there. And then he sent me some SketchUps of what the staircase would look like in our space, and that was really, really helpful to see, just kind of custom to our area, where the entrance point would be. Right there, it's kind of like, that's the hallway, this is our dining, that's the kitchen. The entrance zone had to be in a really great spot. And so he was able to kind of sketch it up and kind of put my mind at ease on how it would all work together, which was really, really nice and helpful. Also, I didn't need, but I had kind of that lovely matching the stair wood railing there, and they were able to make me a custom railing that matched our cool spiral Paragon staircase, which I was really appreciative of. And that was also, it was easy to rip out the old one and put in the one that they sent me. So I think it came together really nicely. We really like it. I was a little worried, I would say, about buying a staircase without having had seen it first. But just between the SketchUps and the back and forth, the emails, the photos, not that it was a lot of work doing all those things, but it just kind of put my mind at ease, and it made me realize that all our bases were really covered, and we were gonna, be sent a staircase that worked well in our space, and that was actually gonna fit when it arrived. So, and yeah, it did. When it came, it all was just perfect. It went together easily, and I'm gonna take you on a little walk up the stairs. We even have my toddler swing hanging there. She can swing in and out of the hallway there. Here's the staircase. We'll go up. Still a little patching that needs to be done up here. I don't mind it, but here's my favorite view from above. And back down. So there it is. It's been awesome. We've been happy. It definitely met our needs of the safe and the budget friendly and the small space needs. All of those needs were met. So awesome job, Paragon. Thanks so much.